STAIN Kediri is one of state college for Islamic studies in Kediri. STAIN Kediri was inaugurated by the Minister of Religion Republik Indonesia in 1962. It is located on Sunan Ampel Street, number 7, Meronggok, Kediri. Now, STAIN Kediri has 14 study programs for the degree of bachelor and 5 postgraduate study programs. One of study program is English department. Through this study program, it is expected to meet competitive graduates that have intellectual and moral by sticking to Islamic values. English department study program has a representative lecture building and equipped with good facilities such as SLC. Student Learning Center STAIN Kediri is a place that can support teaching and learning activities students of English department. SLC is equipped with various supporting books in learning English such as discourse analysis book, student language acquisition book, and etc. SLC also equipped with various supporting facilities such as computers, Wi-Fi area, air conditioner, tables, chairs, and self-bag storage that can provide a sense of comfort for visitors. Visitors can come to this place start from 8 until 14 and 30. Visitors also allowed to borrow some books by using a member card of SLC. An officer will help you for this. By the Student Learning Center, it is expected to increase knowledge in learning English.